what's going on, good people? This is Terrence at Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Today we're frying Wisconsin cheese curds. Yes, it's gonna be fun. All right, people, we are back. All right, so what we did, we have the cheese curds. We froze them for about 6 hours. It's kind of, solidifying. Over here, I have 2 eggs. And I have my batter mix, and I'll show you. I got some cheese curd batter mix. And a lot of people, what are cheese curds? Cheese curds basically are just these irregular pieces of cheese that are cut off before they form cheese into wheels or blocks. So that's what cheese curds are, okay? So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna drop a couple of these. Do a few different ones. In the egg wash, wet hand, dry hand. If you know about fry techniques, I'm going to take these pieces with the wet hand. Just throw those in there like that. And then it's my dry hand, my free hand. And I'll toss those up. There you go. Put these here. That's good right there. Make sure those things don't stick to the bottom. Let that form. Yeah, look at that. There we go. And then we're gonna let them go for about 2 minutes. All right. We'll see what they look like in a second. All right. So now, look at these bad boys. They turning golden brown. That's been about 2 minutes. Look at that. Look how nice those look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's gonna be hot. You know I gotta try one though. Ooh, let's see. Normally you can have your nice little dip or something, some ranch or something. But man, they're like, fried cheese. That's good. All right. Let's get ready to put some of these bad boys in here in the fryer. We'll make sure not to overcrowd it, never overcrowd your basket. All right, and we are dropping it. We'll shake that basket. Just make sure those things form. Yeah, there we go. Try to make sure they don't clump together. Make sure they don't stick to the bottom. And then we let them go for 2 minutes. All right, look at that. Those bad boys right there, man. There we go. They're nice and fried and crispy. There we go. Let's make that happen.